Hi guys, this is another quick video on searching ads this time. So when you're in your home screen, on the left navigation bar there is a tab called Search Ads. Click on that and you have a secondary drop down, Live Ads and Spec Ads. They're both the same criteria for specs, and we're just going to look at live ads right now so that you can see how it works, but they're the same for either spec or live ads. I should mention that up here is the quick search button or quick search field. If you know your IO number or a portion of your IO number, you can type it in here and it will search with that string 1065 there, 1065 there. Anyway, so side topic there. Back to the search criteria here. Each one of these are a way to filter out your ads, okay? And if you want to start with a fresh template, you click Clear Ads and it gets all the data out of all the fields. Sorry, Clear Fields. Gets all the data out of there. So each one of these filters. First one is ad number. If you know your ad number, or partial, same thing as up here. You would end up seeing a bit of what's in there. Date ranges. These are when the insertion dates are available. If I click on this, it brings up a little calendar. Just to show you navigation purposes, if I hit on the double arrows, it goes to an earlier year or a higher year. Okay. If I use the little month one, it changes your month. I can also hit today, and it brings it to today as highlighted. I'm just going to pick the first right there, and let's go to the 30th, so it shows a month range. Okay. And in here is advertiser name. If you know your advertiser, you can scroll to it, or if you don't feel like scrolling, you can click on it and start typing what you know it to be, and it'll fill it out. So in this instance, it took me to SIE. You can command click and choose more than one advertiser if you wish. In the ad statuses, you can if you leave it empty, then it will show all of the statuses. If you filter it further, then it'll only show the complete or proof or whatever. Okay. If you know the publication it is, you can click on it and choose that. Same thing goes, Control or Command, depending on if you're a Mac or PC. You can select multiple ones as well. Okay. You can go into color ads, or only killed ads, or hide killed ads, so on and so forth. If I clear the fields, it gets rid of everything. Let's just do one here for September 1st to September 30th and do this search. So it shows everything that's running in September for this query. You can also hit Save Query and SEPT, and I already had one with that name, so it's not a big deal. It's in there. All it is everything for September. You also can change what it looks like by clicking on this little thing here, which is basically list view. I think it says something else if you let it hover long enough, but yeah, details view. And then this is your thumbnails or icons. So list and thumbnail. You can also sort when you're in here. If you knew, well, I want to actually look for a specific advertiser, so I'm going to sort by advertiser. It did last name first, so if I click it again, it goes to the alphabetical ascending instead of descending. So you could do it by start date. Any of these are all sortable. Okay. You can also pick a page that you want to go to, or navigate one at a time by clicking the arrow. Now I hit that Save Query button. I want to show you what that does. I'll go back into Search Live Ads again. And when it comes up here, if I clear the fields, right now you see there's no date in there at all. I go on this My Saved Queries, and it shows September. I click on that, and it loads it, so it's doing the 1st to the 30th again. Okay. Now I also want to show, if you're going back in time, let's say you want to look for something from, let's say, back to school. I click on that, and I want to go just last year's stuff. So if I click last year, let's go back to 2012, September 1. And so now I got September 1, 2012 to September 30th, 2013. That's a year's worth. What did I have in back to school? Hit search. So that narrowed it down to that's what was in back to school. I hope that was helpful, guys. Just a quick navigation on how to make best use of your searches. Thank you.